इतना सफर है कुछ होने में और बहुत कुछ होने में। इतना सा फर्क है एक बार सोच के छोड़ देने में और लग के कर दिखाने में। मान लेने में कि जिंदगी ऐसे ही कटेगी और सुबह 4 बजे उठ के सोचने में कि अभी तो बस शुरुआत है। किसी मैगजीन को हाथ में लेने में और उसी मैगजीन के कवर पेज पे होने में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वीआईपी सीट में और उसकी पिछली सीट में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वो जिसका मैदान ही खुला आसमान है वही कल जमीन पर तो था। पूछोगे तो बताएगा वो पंछी कि एक दायरे में सिमटने में और पूरी दुनिया को दायरा बनाने में बस इतना सा फर्क है। इतना कितना है? इतना है या इतना है? जो नापेगा वो जाने कि जहां धरती और आसमान मिलते हैं, नानकुर से दूर, अगर मगर शायद से दूर, वहां भी दोनों में फर्क बस इतना सा है। धरती और 7वें आसमान में फर्क बस इतना सा है। ये एक अंतर प्रेरणा है। ये हमारी, आपकी, हम सब की अंतर प्रेरणा है। एक कदम, एक छलांग, एक बाजी, एक गहरी सांस और एक ललकार खुली हवाओं में कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन फिजाओं के लिए, कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन ऊंचाइयों के लिए जो ऊंची तो बहुत है पर नामुमकिन भी नहीं, क्योंकि मुमकिन और नामुमकिन में बस इतना सा फर्क है। धूप छांव में फर्क बस इतना सा। तो बस चलिए फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया के साथ ये फर्क मिटा देते हैं। फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया, 20 years of ideas.
A very good afternoon to each and everyone who has joined us for this particular digital representation of the brand. Franchise India team welcomes you to our Business Opportunity of a Chai webinar series. This is our 276th edition of this particular series. This is a digital representation of the brand and we do not endorse any particular brand. If I talk about Franchise India, it is a platform, it is a business consulting firm which is helping day in, day out all the investors in taking the right and the conscious decision while selecting the best of the franchise. And we truly claim that no one sells more business than us because we have helped thousands of investors in getting the right business solutions from us. We have helped international and national chain to expand their business with our 70 plus offices. It is our privilege to invite and welcome management team of Franchise India, Gaurav sir and Sonia ma'am. During the course of the webinar, they'll be talking about the industry. They'll be sharing their advice with each one of us. The brand which we are representing today is Slate. Yes, it's an all-in-one financial platform for all the small businesses. If I talk about their investor base, they have worked with companies like Sequoia and Lead Angels, and they have important clients to service. We welcome and invite Mr. Gaurav Sharaf, who is a founder and CEO, a serious venture capital investor. Along with him, we have Mr. Dhaval Mehta and Urvi Shah. Both are chartered accountant by education, and they are representing the vertical of client servicing. Thank you so much, Gaurav and team, for joining us today for this wonderful webinar. Over to you so that we can have a formal presentation from your side.
Thank you very much, Archana, and to the entire team at Franchise India for enabling us to have this session. Really appreciate it and really thrilled to be able to have this opportunity to present what we at Slate are building, which we believe is the future of financial management for small business. I hope everybody can see my screen, which I have just shared.
Yes, Gaurav, we can. Thank you so much.
Okay, great. So I would like to first tell everybody what Slate is all about and why it is so important as an opportunity for the investor base and others who are collected here today. So Slate's mission is to organize financial data which is present in SMEs but is not presented to them in an actionable and an insightful manner. And what's more is that we want to do it in real time. So our vision is that we want to be the default choice which means that as soon as somebody sets up a business, they should have a Slate account or a Slate accounting team with them so that they can do their financial management in the simplest and most effective manner. And they then have to only worry about growing their business and taking decisions on other strategic tasks. Uh, so as I said, this is an opportunity which we believe is the beginning of something very, very big. You have all heard of Ola, you have all heard of Oyo, and we believe that this opportunity is in no way less than that. Those were consumer businesses, and what we are building is a business to business opportunity over here. The fundamental concept is that as the business owner, you want to actually have continuous access to your financial data, to your compliance information, so that you don't miss out anything, so that you have better control and better visibility on what is going on in your business. And if there is any hidden cash that you can actually take advantage of, how do you optimize your cash flow? And all of this information is present, hidden from the founder of the company, because it is present, it is sitting in a place like, say, a system like Tally, which is not available to the business owner directly. He needs to go through an accountant to get that information. And that information also comes to the founder in the form of an email or in the form of spreadsheets through Excel. So what we are building here is a financial management hub which addresses all of these requirements of financial management, which includes cash flow management, like things like payables, receivables, invoicing, collections, making payments, and receiving payments, as we already spoke about, forecasting cash flows, and all the compliances related to GST, TDS, etc. What Slate does is that it gives you a single interface which syncs with Tally in an automated fashion. And you are able to, as the owner of the business, then have a dashboard on your desktop or on your mobile where you can get all sorts of information in the same place. As you can see on my screen, you can actually see your financial dashboard, the ability to create invoices, make payments, manage banking, control your monthly data, and be able to see all these types of details like liquidity, receivables, payables, and dig very, very deep into each one of them if you wanted. Now imagine a scenario where you did not have Slate. All this information would be sitting with the accountant of the business owner, and that person would send you information in bits and pieces, but not be able to give you a holistic view like this. Now there is no need for that. You can actually have direct access to whatever information is present in your accounting system through a sync with Tally, which enables you to have all this set up within 5 minutes. So you can see the kind of details that we can provide, and this is just a trailer. You can actually go and see a lot more than what is presented here on the screen. Things like sales performance by vendor type, by product type, every month, every quarter, you can see it. You can compare year on year as well. You can see your profitability. Where is your money getting sucked in? What are your margins? What is your cash flow forecast for the next 12 weeks? And what are the major expense heads which you need to control? So what you get as the business owner, or what we provide to the business owner, is number one, you can start creating invoices on the Slate platform and automate them. You create these invoices, you can put in a payment link so that the invoice goes automatically to your through email to your customer. The customer can pay online through credit card or NEFT, however he pleases. And you can also send reminders to customers for payments which are delayed. You can search for payments by customer or by invoice that you have created and then send very easily. And these are all GST compliant invoices. And anyway, we are moving towards e-invoicing. So this is a very handy tool. We don't need to create invoices manually anymore on Excel and Word, and and also having delays in invoice creation, right? Because this can automate everything. So if there are recurring invoices to be sent, they will just keep going whenever you set it to go out. For being able to set up the financial dashboard and to see the reports, it takes literally just 5 minutes. Your clients would just have to sign up online. You enter the details of GST number and create their account. We put in their address and then just do a tally sync, which takes literally 2 minutes to do. It's a very simple procedure. The tally will sync to your dashboard and you will be able to see all the information that I discussed with you a little bit earlier. But what is very important to remember is that we can actually also use artificial intelligence tools to give you forecasts of what your cash flow is going to be like for the next 3 months. And with that, your clients will be able to plan their cash flow, figure out which payments are to be made right now, which payments can wait. They can also realize where they need credit and when they need credit, how much credit they need, and make advanced preparation for it. In addition to just the financial dashboard, what Slate provides is a bookkeeping service as well. So certain clients can work with the Slate franchise where they can take the bookkeeping service from the franchise, and that is the primary product that we are trying to tell you about, where we would like your help to work on servicing the clients that Slate brings in for bookkeeping and tax compliance services. So what happens here is that the client keeps sending data to the accountant. The accountant keeps doing what he does in Tally, updates Tally. The data gets synced to the dashboard, and the client gets a look at actionable data on this dashboard, unlike any other place that exists. Some of the investors and institutions who have partnered with us are Sequoia, who provide our solutions to their startups and their investees to work on the Slate platform for better financial management. Surge, again, another investor. Lead Angels, another very large investor in the angel stage. Sign is an IIT Bombay incubator, and all of these have endorsed us and are currently working with us. The clients we work with range from very wide industries. There are online e-commerce businesses, there are manufacturing companies, there are retail businesses, restaurants, software developers, architects, lawyers. So it's a very, very wide range of clients we work with, and we have over 200 of them already. So what is our plan to grow, and what we want to do here today is to tell you about the opportunity to franchise the Slate brand so that you can become part of our growth story. What we believe is that this is a very, very strong opportunity to create a franchise business which can go from a small business to a fairly large profitable business in 3, 4, 5 years, but also be a business where you can break even in the first year and a half. What we are looking for is partners from territories like tier 1, tier 2 cities and under. We would like them to provide accounting and tax expertise services to our customer base, and also to onboard customers from the local areas that they work. And we will be providing you leads, clients, training support, networking support, and of course, all the great technology that we build, which will differentiate you. So why is this even important? I would like to first tell you that the business of accounting has no real differentiation in a market which has immense competition. There are 70,000 CA firms and 31,000 CAs who graduate every year from ICAI. This means that everybody is providing a very, very plain vanilla service without any differentiation. We did a survey of 250 CAs, and what we found is that the reason that they feel that they cannot grow their practice Most of them had to say that it is because they do not have a brand that they can be part of. And the second was that they lack the ability to market or a channel with which they can market. As you may know already that appointing a CA is usually a word of mouth business. If you've already done that before, you know that you will typically call somebody and say, "मुझे एक अच्छा CA चाहिए, मेरा accounting का काम करना है," and it'll just be word of mouth. But there will be a very wide range of CAs who exist over there, which will provide you the same service at a much lower cost even, and you may not even be able to reach it. So what we are doing is standardizing the ability to serve customers with the best service protocols, but also at an affordable price while becoming a very, very profitable business going forward. So what do we provide a CA or a CFA or a partner who works with us? We will provide them the ability to grow their practice by giving them leads and clients who they can work with, while also giving you the ability to differentiate yourself and create a word of mouth following in your local area yourselves. The second thing is that with the Slate technology backbone, your client satisfaction levels are going to be very, very high and much better than any other CA who is not part of our system. And third, what Slate also brings to the table for clients is not just accounting, as I said, or tax compliance, but an entire suite of financial management services, which includes payroll management, credit, even compliances like ROC, tax compliance. We also provide them various other offers such as AWS credits, co-working spaces, and such things. And all of this revenue will actually be shared with our franchise partners for the client base that they are servicing. And this not only gives you access, therefore, to clients' revenue which you are servicing, but on top of that, you can make money, which is purely profit from other additional services that we can offer from our marketplace of partners and affiliates. So what does the franchise get? Okay, the franchise will get business development support from us, where we will provide you 2 to 3 clients every month. These clients will obviously be working directly with you. Slate will be doing the monitoring of the quality of services. These clients you will also be able to get clients on your own because you will have the Slate brand associated with it, with you. Number two, we will be able to train your employees. Employee attrition is a big problem. So we will train your employees, and employees will be far more likely to stick with you because now they're associated with a brand where they are getting trained continuously and improving their skill sets. Collections is a big problem in this industry, as you may already know. Clients tend to pay their CAs, once every 6 months, 12 months. But we have developed a technology solution where we can get clients to either prepay or pay on time through some technology interventions. So whether the client pays or not, we will pay you in 45 days so that you don't have to wait 6 months and 12 months and consume a lot of working capital. And lastly, as we talked about, new revenue sources, which is probably not something that any other CA is able to get. You will be able to take advantage of all the revenue that we will generate from your clients through upsell opportunities, selling them credit cards and loans and insurance and ROC compliance and various other things. So all of these things make this a very, very attractive opportunity for our franchisees. What will your clients get? As we already have spoken, but I'm going to just give you a summary of that. Your clients will get a dashboard on which they will be able to do their complete financial management, their invoicing and collections, look at the business data and financial data to figure out how the financial health of the business is and take decisions which enhances their financial health. And on top of that, there are various features and services which can be very, very convenient for a client to avail of, like compliances for legal and ROC and credit card, and such things that I already mentioned. How does the franchising work? Okay, it's very simple. We will ask you to send in your application to show us your credentials of experience in accounting, or the ability for you to bring in people who are accountants, who can manage the business in an efficient and proficient manner. The franchisees who are then enrolled into the platform will be adopting the Slate brand, and we will support you with all client communication, billing, and promotions. Your team will continue to work on Tally, which is the default system which everybody in India who is an accountant is mostly familiar with. We will train them in our service protocols to make sure that the service provided to clients is of a very high quality. We keep assigning clients to you every month. You use our technology to update the dashboard, and we support you throughout through training programs, networking programs, and of course, managing your billing, so that that's something that you don't have to worry about. The franchising terms are very, very simple and attractive. Uh, Franchisees have to start with an initial investment of only 50,000 rupees, of which the payback period is 12 to 15 months. And over a 5-year period, the return on investment on an annualized basis comes to 250%, which is extremely attractive. To give you a summary of that, essentially, you start with doing a revenue of about 5 lakhs in the first year. And in year 5, the revenue can go up to as high as 50 lakhs, assuming that the performance and addition of clients from your side is also met with the targets. And once you do that, you end year 5 with a 15% margin on about 50 lakhs of revenue, which is about 7.5 lakh rupees of pure profit. And this does not even include the fact that this calculation does not include the fact that what we can give you as profits from the value added services. We have not factored that into our calculations. I will tell you how the royalty works as well. So we have a performance-based royalty model, which is, I think, very unique in this industry, especially the financial services industry that we are in. The franchisees will be will be rated on client satisfaction, Slate service protocol, and sales addition rating. And if you are rated at 3%, at 3 to 3.5, you pay a royalty of 30%. But if you are rated at 5, you pay a royalty of only 20%. And on top of this, for clients that are added by you directly, you only pay 15%. So this makes it a very, very profitable business going forward, because your destiny is in your control, right? And that is actually what entrepreneurship is all about. And we want to make sure that you can take advantage of your performance. So this is the financial model. As I said, the 50,000 rupee initial investment. We expect for services provided by our franchisees, an average payment by the client of about 3,500 rupees per month for providing bookkeeping as well as tax compliance services, and 1,000 rupees per month for only providing tax compliance services. Slate will share about 3 leads per month with our franchisees. And any leads that Slate shares with you and you are servicing, Slate will earn a royalty of 30% if you are 3-star rated, 20% if you are 5-star rated, and anything that you bring in will be 15%. And as I told you, the payback period is 12 to 15 months, and adding up to an IRR, which is annualized IRR of 285%. We already have 6 franchisees working with us, and this is a testimonial from one of them. So Shinu started working with us in August, and he had only 5 clients. Today, we have added about 20 new clients for him, which is 3 lakh rupees in new revenue that we have added to him on an annualized basis. And we have also helped him increase his practice size. He has hired more employees. He used to be the only person in his business. And today he has at least 1 or 2 employees plus him and 20 clients, 20 clients from us and his own 5 clients. And this has obviously added to, a great degree of profitability and peace of mind to his business, but also has, given him the confidence to that he can grow. Without Slate, to go to 20 clients, he would have probably taken 3 years. I think that is generally the benchmark, that to go from when you start a new practice, to go from 0 to 20 takes about 3 years if you are an individual working by himself. And we were able to do that in just 6 months. So this is the end of my presentation. I would like to open this to questions and answers and take it from there.
Okay, thank you so much, Gaurav. You've given a detailed presentation on the entire business model, including the revenue stream. And I would say today financial services make one of the most, I would say, important and influential sectors of our economy. And Slate is addressing the accounting and the tax filing services, which are specifically designed for startups and the SME sector, enabling them to also maybe save a lot of time, almost I think 70 to 75% of time, which they typically would spend on booking, and compliance is something which is a big problem, is something which is addressed by Slate. This is a fintech product, and today digital payments are also leading to a rise in this industry. So, Gaurav, I'll pick some questions, which I will request the audience, and I see Dhaval also answering some of the questions which have been raised by our investors who have come on the webinar. And friends, you can keep putting your questions and we'll take it up. But just to start off with, my initial and the first question, and before we go on the revenue model, I think you did take through that slide very swiftly. So we'll maybe spend 5 minutes extra on that to maybe go a little bit in depth. And just to start off with, because I think the last 4 odd years, there's a big rise in the fintech sector overall. There are a lot of players that have come in. So my first question would be if you can help us in understanding, and also maybe the entire audience, on the overall competitive landscape that we have today, and how Slate has a differentiated, I would say, edge over the other players in the market.
Yes, thank you very much, Sonia, for that question. So Slate is actually providing a very differentiated offering to the market, because what we are doing is that we are combining all elements of financial management in one place. Typically, any company picks just payments or just tax compliance or just say credit and goes after it. But what we are doing, we are bringing the best of all of those in one hub. Okay. And as the business owner, then you are provided this solution where, on your mobile, you will get a notification that these payments are due or these payments are delayed, or your tax dates are coming due, and you will be able to do all of that from one platform. You don't have to go from, seeing something in your email and then opening an Excel file and then going to maybe your bank system to make a payment, or picking up the phone to your accountant and saying that, acha ye cheez mujhe samajh mein nahi aayi, mujhe explain karo, and all that. What will happen is that with Slate, you will see all your financial information. You yourself will be able to dig deeper into it, where you can see, okay, these customers are paying me after 90 days and these customers are paying me in 30 days. So let me figure out what I can do to, make this business more profitable, which is delayed 90 days, right? So all of that information, if it is provided to you in a holistic manner, you can see the bigger picture, right? Otherwise, what happens is that you are seeing only a bits and pieces of it, while the whole puzzle is so big, but what you are seeing is only a small element of it, right? So that is one thing. But the other thing is that we are combining this with services, okay? So typically, the accountants that you work with, the typical sort of mom and pop shop for accounting services that is out there, they actually do not have any service protocols. There is no data security that you are guaranteed, because everybody who works in that office could potentially access your data, okay? And on top of that, the pricing can vary. So for the same element or the same scope of work, whereas a new CA who is say 2-3 years into practice will provide you, let's say, a quote of 2,000 rupees, a larger firm can provide you a quote of 10,000 rupees, okay, for the same type of work, right? Now, what we believe is that when Slate comes into the picture, the Slate umbrella represents good quality work at affordable prices. Okay. And there is nobody else doing that. Okay. There is no brand which exists to do that. Okay. So we want to create this brand where if you are the company owner, you are starting a new company, you will call us and say, hey, I have started a new company. I will create a Slate platform. उसमें मुझे सब कुछ एक साथ चाहिए. I want accounting, I want ROC compliance, I want payroll management, and you activate it as you need it, right? So you don't have to go looking. Okay, you don't have to say, acha, now I have an accountant. I will talk to my friend and find out which company secretary do I work with. Okay, acha, now I need payroll management and PF registration. Who do I call? Slate will answer all of that for you. Okay, so tomorrow when you grow the business, you will need to do, for example, you will have to apply for, say, a nil TDS registration or a lower TDS registration, which will save you 8% of cash flows. Now, these are things accountants are actually not able to tell you because they are not not positioned as marketing people. Okay, but Slate uses technology interventions where it actually sees the data of the client and says, oh, this person can save 8% cash flow by applying for nil TDS certificate, right? So it is a solution which is addressing the problem of cash flow management, financial administration, payments, collections, all of that in one place.
Sure. So it's a one-stop, I would say, solution which is offering a lot of these services together and in a very secured manner.
So Slate becomes the technology company. And then what we do is we have service partners, right? So there is the franchise. So our franchising is only for accounting and tax compliance services. Everything else is a preferred partner. Okay, so payroll management, we have preferred partners. We have ROC compliance preferred partners, even legal services. But the beauty of this is that if the client that let's say you as a franchise is working for a client and he's paying you, say, 4,000 rupees a month for tax compliance and bookkeeping, but we are able to sell to him legal services, or we are able to sell to him, let us say, ROC compliance or payroll. That is not even a service you are providing, right? But that revenue which is earned by the system is then shared with you, which is going directly to your bottom line. So it makes it very attractive. So that customer you get is not just a 4,000 rupee customer for you, right, per month. That customer can end up taking 4,000 of services from you, but then 8,000 of services from somewhere else.
Sure. Gaurav, my next question would also be, because like you also mentioned in this conversation, the major part of the market is still dominated, I would say, by, this conventional, ways of how people and organizations and SMEs are working. How big do you think is the opportunity and at what pace do you see that conversion happening? If you say these are the clusters and at what rate are they converting, increasing, and which are the bigger markets, you're seeing this conversion coming from?
So, you can see the overall SME market in India is something like 60 million, right? Now, we believe that the top 5% of that market, which wants to be able to run a business which is clean, which is organized, which is well managed, okay? Businesses which are really wanting to grow, where the founders of the company and the owners of the company care about how they spend their time, because pure financial administration and compliance tends to become a little bit of a vampire, because you feel like you're spending time on something which is not as productive for you. So you have somebody who handles it, right? So of that 60 million market, we think at least 5% of that market, which is the startups, which is online sellers, which is your more organized resellers and retailers, the companies who are dealers of, say, auto components and TVS and all of these types of businesses, services businesses, people are running, 2-3% ka consulting work, consulting organization, web design and such things. So there are, a good 3-4 million such people out there, right? And we are presently, with our limited, digital marketing and promotions, we are adding 50-70 customers every month just by ourselves. And this will go up to 20,000 clients in the next 12 months, we'll be at 20,000 clients. Okay. We expect from this 20,000 base, at least 10% of that base is going to want services from us and not just work with our platform. Okay, and that's the trend we have seen right now as well. So every month, if I add, say, 70 clients, then I do add 10 clients who require bookkeeping and tax services from us. And once we have more franchisees, then we spend more money on advertising as well.
Helpful. And Gaurav, now, if you can also maybe take a minute and go back on the revenue model, and if you can also explain on, how the pricing is done, especially on your core and the value-added products, and also explanation on the margins. And at the same time, if you can also take a moment to even split the services, because you talked about subscription-based model, and then we have, services which are, pay as you need these services. Now, between these two, what is the revenue mix, and typically how many I would say potential or gestation would maybe a partner or a franchise partner need to get to that optimum level of that client base. If we can take maybe
Sure,
5 minutes to explain on that, if you want to put the slide, and maybe we can
I
talk.
can do that. Yeah. Oh, I have to share my screen first. I'm sorry, 1 second.
And is this pricing variable based on the location, city, or this is standard pricing across all products, all locations?
So, okay, I'll answer that question. So the average fee that we expect for bookkeeping services purely, where the client doesn't want to do, let's say, GST or TDS filing, he may have somebody else do it or does it on his own, is about 2,000 rupees a month. Okay, this is for a company which may have up to 100 transactions a month. Okay. As the company grows, and as you get companies which are bigger, the value of the price that they pay you obviously increases. Okay, because you are doing more work. Okay, so if you compare this against the pricing which is available in the market, as I said, the lower end of the market is offering it at 1,500 or 2,000 rupees. Okay, and the higher end of the market, which is the more established CA firms, is offering it at 10, 12,000 rupees a month. Okay, for bookkeeping services. If you look at GST compliance and TDS compliance, these services at the lower end of the market could be offered anywhere between 500 rupees to 1,500 rupees a month. Okay, so we are offering these at 1,000 rupees a month. Okay, or 1,500 to 1,000 rupees a month. So we have taken into account, now we've been around for about a year and a half. So we have seen what is the prevalent pricing in the market and what is the pricing at which people find it affordable, and what is the price at which we feel that these services are profitable. Okay, so that is how we have arrived at a pricing model. Okay, in addition to this, what we are going to provide, for example, the platform subscription that I said, over there, what happens is that in case somebody wants to purely come and do a platform subscription, they don't take services from us. They come directly on our website and they start working with us. But the moment they say they want services, then depending on what the service is, we will allocate that lead or that client to a franchisee. Okay, so that is how the model works. If a franchisee, for example, wants to bring clients to us for the financial dashboard subscription, that's perfectly fine. And we will be able to give them a revenue share from it as well. The pure platform subscription pricing is 2,500 rupees per user per year. Okay. So because there is no service involved over there, that is purely an online subscription. Okay. And what we hope to do then is when somebody comes in for an online subscription, we hope to convert them into a service user over a period of time.
Okay. Now, between these two, we talked about full service and part, what is the mix of clients? So if we talk about, say, 10 clients coming in a quarter, if I take an example of the first quarter, we have 10 clients. Out of these 10 clients, how many should be your full service clients and how many should be your part services clients?
So I think the mix that we have seen is about 40%. Actually, Dhaval, do you know what the mix is right now? Let me ask him the right.
Mix is more towards 70% full-time service and 30% towards part-time tax compliance only.
So what you mean is basically full service means bookkeeping plus
Bookkeeping and tax compliances, yes.
tax compliance includes GST and TDS filing. Okay.
Correct. Yes.
And part service over here means only TDS and GST compliance, and bookkeeping is done by them in-house. So it's 70% full service and 30% purely tax compliance.
Right. And what happens, when we talk about a retainer fee model, how is that calculated? It is calculated annually. Typically, when these clients would come, they would take a retainer model for a period of straight, say 1 year, or they would take that, business on maybe a quarterly basis or a 6-monthly basis.
So we have, we want clients to actually pay upfront for the whole year. So we give them, an incentive to do that. So far, people are, because Slate is a little bit, new to this, people still pay us on a monthly basis. But going forward, we do think that we will get quarterly and, annual customers.
Okay.
But what is good about this business, I'd like to add, is that once you choose a chartered accountant, right, and you're happy with that person, then you're there for 4 years, 5 years. You don't change very easily. It's a very long-term association.
Sure. Gaurav, when we talk about leads, I think we have divided the leads into 2 sets. One is something which a franchisee brings by himself, and the other set is which is supported by the company Slate. So when we talk about these leads, this lead would actually mean conversions basically. So we are bringing 9 conversions. Yeah. These are conversions, and these are not potential people who can be converted. So we are talking about 9 conversions which company would facilitate, and at least 1 conversion in a quarter is something in the very first quarter which even a partner is advised to bring in board, and gradually this would increase to maybe 5 by the end of the year, and your numbers stays at 9, and this we see increasing in year 2, 3, 4 and 5 subsequently. Now coming on, Gaurav, you talked about the royalty model, which is 15 and 25, where some leads which are brought in by the franchisee is 15, and the rest he pays higher when he gets the lead from you. And this is something which I feel requires a little bit of more explanation. So will this be outside the structure that we discussed, or this would be a part of the existing structure?
This is part of existing structure. What we see, client satisfaction rating and the how well a franchisee is following our protocols is something that we will we will be able to gauge on a quarterly basis, because if somebody is letting the brand down, we cannot give them more business, right? So we will keep monitoring that. But what we believe is going to be extremely valuable to the franchisee is that if they themselves become incentivized to add more clients to the Slate system, right, then we actually give them the benefit of reducing the royalty even on clients that we allocate to them, right? So what we expect going forward is that in the first year, the threshold is going to be, say, 30% of revenue added by Slate should be added by the franchisee. Okay, so if Slate in the first year, let's say, adds 3 lakh, 5 lakh, whatever rupees of revenue, we want the franchisee to have at least 1 lakh rupees of revenue to be a 5-star rated franchise. Okay, besides meeting the client satisfaction and Slate service protocol ratings. In year 2, it will increase, and in year 3, it will increase, and then it will stay stable. Okay, and we believe that actually should be because franchisees should be incentivized to create their own distribution and marketing networks in the local area, so that people actually when they think about accounting and compliance, they know that acha, in my area I have this guy, I will just go there.
Okay. Now, when we talk about this rating, this is only valid for clients which are shared by Slate, or this will also be valid for clients which is brought in directly by the partner?
Overall, because ultimately you are using the Slate brand, right? Even for your clients. So you are going. So any client which is on the platform and managed by the franchisee, you have to be able to meet the criteria.
Okay, because we did talk about the 85% share which the franchisee would keep on any direct lead which comes to him, which means that 15% goes to you.
Yes, yes. So this royalty is only on clients which Slate provides. For all clients provided by the franchisee, it would be 15%, and that's a good point. Maybe going forward, for clients that are brought on by the franchisee, we may even, for a 5-star rated franchisee, maybe bring it down to 12%.
Helpful. Gaurav, I'll also pick some questions, while we have answered them all privately, I'll pick some questions which we can answer for the benefit of, everyone. I think I did see some questions. Okay. I think that one question was on the competition. Yeah. So we have one of our partners, Mr. Jeet from Bangalore. He says, is this platform tele software centric? And if some SMEs, for example, have moved to Zoho or any other, accounting software and not working with any accounting software at all, working still on Excel sheet, do we still approach, how do we approach this situation?
So at present, to get full value of this platform, the SME should be on Tally. Going forward, there will be integrations with Zoho, QuickBooks, and people who are on Excel will obviously have to choose some accounting system, because Excel is too unorganized for us to be able to do anything with that data.
Okay. Now, is there some kind of a fee apart from the commission or royalties which a franchisee has to share for the software or any of the services which are provided by Slate?
There's no other fee. There's no other fee that we are asking for. There is going to be regular training and such things for which the franchisee pays upfront, and the royalty becomes part of whatever we need to do to cover our expenses for training and other things. What we would expect is that they would spend some money on local marketing.
Okay. All right. Now we also have, I think, Senith Bhavsar, who's asking, is this applicable only for tier 1 and 2 cities? Any qualification to become a franchisee?
To become a franchisee, what we need is a team which can handle the accounts proficiently, right? We don't have any restriction. The franchisee can be from any city. We have franchisees from Amravati also. We have franchisees of course, we have Mumbai, we have Hyderabad, we have, I think, one in Delhi or Gurgaon or something. So there isn't a restriction as such. We basically believe that the cost base in a tier 1 or tier 2 city is going to make it a little bit more profitable.
Sure. Gaurav, I'll take a question, because while we see people and CA obviously is the right, I would say, profile, because they get SMEs to do a lot of services for them and they can upgrade them to this. I have a question for people who might not come with similar backgrounds. Do you think they would take a little more gestation time to understand the business, or do you think we don't need these people at all, is one of the questions. And I also will pick a question from Mr. Aditya Sheth. He says, what is the qualification we've covered? Can a student appearing in CA finally can also start with you as a partner? Yeah.
Right. So let's take the first part, right? So if a person is not a CA and is purely an investor, I think that they would need to find somebody who has the ability to manage the first 10, 15 clients and then grow that, right? So we don't necessarily need somebody to be a CA. Okay. So we have had franchisees who have come in the past who have been doing accounts management for 10, 20 clients for like 10 years, right? So they were perfectly fine in their ability to manage the client's books. Okay. So it is not a mandate, but it is a nice to have. Okay. And the second question was that can a CA in the first final year of examination or something do this? Yes, absolutely. It depends on the person's attitude and ability to pick up things. It requires some amount of entrepreneurship spirit, because there will be some fast learnings required. We have actually one franchise who is just passed a CA exam, like literally passed a CA exam and started this. But by the time someone passes CA, he's already got 5-6 years of experience in accounting and taxation. So I think that it is an absolutely perfect opportunity for somebody at that stage as well.
Sure. And the other question which I want to also pick on the compliance, because I see some questions coming in, what kind of licenses or compliance will a franchisee need to undertake before he gets into a business of this nature?
What kind of, before doing the, sorry, I did not understand
Are
that.
there any licenses he would need or any compliances that he need to adhere to get into, or any kind of approval from any CA authority? So there are a couple of questions, which are coming on the same.
No, so the requirement for to take from the authority is only if you do audit. Okay, we are not doing audit. We are doing bookkeeping, tax compliance, financial management, and audit can only be done if you are a CA with what they call a certificate of practice. Okay, and that's not, audit is not part of our scope. If somebody needs audit, they have to, we can recommend somebody, but part of the slate offering is not to do the audit ourselves. We can refer.
Outsource. Great. And Gaurav, what would be the important markets that you want to enter is one question. And I will also club maybe together another question is, what area are we giving to a franchisee? Even if I talk about a CA, if he's a well-established CA, I'm sure a lot of local businesses would be clustered around and he would cater to all this. So how are we dividing the territories is one question for a partner. And second is on the important location cities that you wish to enter.
So when you say locations and cities you wish to enter, you mean from a customer base point of view or from a franchise point of view?
From a franchisee point of view, and eventually customers also. I'm sure where we have a bigger potential, that's where we would be looking at penetration.
Right. So, the interesting thing about this business is that it can be done remotely. Okay. Clients don't tend to visit the office, especially, the clients that we serve, which may be doing revenue of, anywhere from 50 lakhs a year to 50 crores a year. Those clients are not necessarily visiting their CA's offices. So it's a business which is done remotely. Okay. You send in your documents, the CA is managing it all on his, through his computer, and it happens on phone and such things. Okay. There are very specific use cases where, physical inventory needs to be taken, where you need someone to visit the warehouse and all of that, which is a separate matter. Okay. So from a client-based perspective, most of our current clients are from metros, Bombay, Delhi, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Pune, and such places. Okay. But that doesn't mean that the CAs have to be there. The CAs can be in Nagpur and Indore and Bhopal and, as I said, Jaipur and other places. So it actually doesn't matter, which is a great opportunity for people who are in smaller towns to provide these services, because, as I said, their cost base is lower and they actually don't have the access to the market in Bombay, right? So they don't have access to Bangalore. Now, there are hundreds of startups in Bangalore, right? They're all very stingy on paying the CAs, and they're looking for affordable CAs and such people. So, it's, kind of trying to connect that and put the technology backbone so that, we maintain service quality, give visibility and control to the company, as well as visibility and control to the service side.
Helpful. Gaurav, I'll pick one question from Jagdish. He's again one of our partners, and he wishes to know if there's any partner currently in Indore or Bhopal. And for a city like this, how many franchisees will you appoint?
So we do not, Dhaval, do we have a partner in?
No, currently we do not have any partners in Indore or Bhopal.
Okay. So we don't have any partner in that region. And I think that, as I mentioned to you, that we are actually providing a lot of leads to our CAs from these bigger cities, right? So from our perspective, we have not thought through that in Indore, I cannot have more than so many franchises. But, Indore is a large enough city where you could potentially have 5-10 franchises, but we've not, come to any conclusion on that, to be very, very frank.
Sure.
So as I said, our objective is also that the franchisee should be able to grow from, 2, 3, 4 lakh rupees in the first year to 50 lakhs. So we don't want to take that away from them either. So if an area we feel that, that doesn't give him the opportunity, we'll say, okay, we don't want to appoint over there.
Helpful. Gaurav, I do see, many other questions and we have kind of replied, but I do assume that we have people who might want to get in touch with you. And if we can also request maybe a day that we can bring them on a call for a one-on-one discussion, and anytime in the coming week, today being Wednesday, maybe after Holi, if there's a day that we can fix up maybe for a Wednesday or a Thursday, if that can, based on your calendar, absolutely,
No,
if
that
that
is
is available, we
absolutely,
can do that.
I would love that. We would love to interact on a one-on-one basis, and we would love to show feedback as well. We would love to hear what works for them, what doesn't work from them, and we would
Sure.
love to get this going. So please tell me when it works for everyone, so we can maybe set up,
Sure.
do together.
We can do that, and maybe I can also request we can do some kind of a demo also for our prospective partners, and where they can see
Absolutely.
how actually the entire system operates.
Yeah, absolutely. We will 100% do that. We would love to.
Great. Thanks. For a week, if Thursday is fine, do you think we should block Thursday? Thursday would
On
be
Thursday, next week, right?
plus,
Yeah,
yes, Thursday would be a week from today, which would be um,
which would be the 1st of April.
first, or maybe we can do it 31st or first, one of the 2 days that you wish.
Either day works. Either day is fine.
So I think let's put it for Thursday, which is first of the month. If we have any inquiries which might not have that day available, we might bring that to you even before that. And before we close, Gaurav, maybe a last word from you, a message that you want to give to the audience on the opportunity or maybe overall, industry. Yeah.
Thank you, Sonia. I would first say thank you very much again to you and your team for organizing this. This has been really, really helpful and exciting for us to do. This is the first time we're launching the franchise program on this stage. We have done this on a very, very small scale before this. So this is a very big milestone for the company as well. Number two, I would like to say that, what we truly believe is that the days when a business owner would just have access to his financial data through an accountant are over. Okay,
Hmm.
now in a world which is connected, you want to have complete access, in an uninterrupted access, full visibility, complete control, and the ability to make sure that from one place you can do various tasks, which is especially when that those tasks are emerging from the same foundation, which is the financial data, right? Uh, so this can be made possible only by a platform like Slate, because everybody else has a vested interest. So Tally cannot talk to QuickBooks. Tally, or for example, banks cannot talk to other banks. They will always work on the side. But we are independent. We can work with various banks. We can work with various payment gateways. We can work with CAs and company secretaries and lawyers and various other components and bring all of it together. So, a lot of your people in the audience are entrepreneurs and business owners. So they, I am sure, understand that, the power of having this kind of visibility, which gives them more control on their financials. And instead of going from one, email to Excel to, bank payment ke liye, on the net banking, which also is a very cumbersome interface.
Mhm.
You know, if you could do all of it from one place, wouldn't you want to do it, right? If you know a tax deadline is coming up well in advance, you could get an automatic notification. Life would just be much simpler for you. You could focus on hiring, HR, meeting investors, looking for the next business opportunity, instead of all this time that goes in, smaller things. So I just want to leave you with that thought that, this is what it should look like. I had run a business. I should have a Slate account, which is connected to my bank, which is connected to my Tally, which is connected to payments and collections. And if I want anything, it's available to me. I just have to request it and it will come to me. So that's what we believe. I mean, that's what the future of business management should be.
Absolutely. Very well put, Gaurav. And friends, I would reiterate, we're doing this event on 1st of April. Good opportunity which starts as low as 50,000. People who are in complementing, I would say, businesses like CAs or likewise, they are good potential partners for the business. It is a very asset-light business. You don't need to open any independent offices or infrastructure. Neither teams, maybe existing setup of teams can work to acquire these. clients, and where maybe a minimal, if I say client base of 9 in one quarter, which means about 3 every month is what you need, and about 48 clients in 1 year is what you need to start even becoming profitable. So we look forward to receiving your queries. I do see some people asking about more details and sending some information. We put a hotline number in the chat box. Kindly take a note of that. And also our teams will reach out to you in the due course of time, and we can fix up a slot with Gaurav on Thursday. And would also be helpful, friends, if you can share, if you come with the complementing backgrounds or similar businesses or any experience that you might have in this service, that will help us in making these calls more productive. Thank you so much, Gaurav. Again, thank you, Urvi, also, and Dhaval for coming in. Great. Thank you.
Thank you, Sonia, Archana, Anshul, and Dheeraj for organizing this. Really appreciate it, and we look forward to taking taking this further with the audience over here and others.
Thank you so much, Gaurav. And Archana, can I request you to take it over, please?
So thank you so much, Gaurav. Thank you so much, Dhaval. Thank you so much, Urvi, for joining us today. Our best wishes with you for all your future assignments. We would like Sonia ma'am to accept our thanks for joining us today. Dear participants, thank you so much for joining us today. Hope we serve you in the best of the manner. Please do reach out to us at our business hotline number, which is 9717683838. We request each one of you to save this number in your phone book so that you get a regular updates from our side once you save this number. You can also connect with us at different social handles, information on your screen. If you want to see all the previously done webinar, different submit, please visit us, join us at the Facebook page of Franchise India Brands Limited. The recorded version of each and every brand is available under video section. We appreciate and encourage each one of you to share your valuable suggestions and feedback with us, because that will help the entire team of Franchise India to serve you in best of the manner. Do reach out to Gaurav sir and Sonia ma'am at their respective LinkedIn IDs, information on the screen. And tomorrow we are presenting a F&B opportunity for you, where we invite team of Chirag Din Biryani. They will come and present the business model which can be started as low as 6 lakh rupees. So please do not miss this chance. You want to go for this particular opportunity, do registration today itself so that you get a confirmation mail from our side. Once again, thank you so much for joining us today. Have a great day. Thank you so much.
Thank you, friends. Look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Good day.
Thank you very much. Bye.